All right, fourth graders, today we're working on page 7 and 8. And you might be getting tired of doing the coloring, so do your best. If you can get your letters colored too, that would be awesome. Just makes it look a little bit nicer in your little emoji guys, okay? And then when you get to the writing, it says, these are some of my favorite events that have happened this year. These can be things in the world, things like that. Some of them might be a little harder, so do your best to get them all filled in. All right, the first one says, what is the new big thing happening right now? You might have a Lego character or a Minecraft or some sort of a doll that you like that's coming out. You know, maybe you want to write that the vaccine is out, okay? Popular sayings, what's a popular thing that you hear people say? On the next one here, this is a sports one right here, so this might be a little bit harder for you. So if you don't want to write like Super Bowl winners, NBA champions, World Series champions, that kind of thing, if you just want to write your favorite sports team, like the Minnesota Twins or the Vikings or the Wild, that's fine, okay? Song of the year or a dance. If you know, you could put maybe TikTok dances there if you watch those, okay, or YouTube videos, whatever you want to put. Favorite social media would be maybe YouTube for some people if you have another social media thing that you like. Best TV shows, popular books, favorite athlete, favorite person, famous person, and anything else that's important to write in there, okay? So that is page 7, and then I'm going to show you some tips on page 8. All right, here we are on page 8. All right, last page for today. Try to color in your letters if you can. If you're getting tired of coloring in the letters up there, I understand. I want you to think of yourself or family members. We're not going to be able to get signatures from friends because we're not at school. Okay, but if you like to draw or somebody likes to read, okay, you could put that in there. There's so many options here, guys. I mean, if you want to put your name down, your own name down for 3 of them, if you want to put some sisters or brothers down for some of them, if you want to put your grandma or grandpa, your mom or dad down on one of the squares, I am totally good with that, okay? If you would like to put, you could put Mrs. Hagen down for reading because I love to read. So you could put my name in there. Okay, you know some people in our class that have a cat or a dog, right? We know we've seen some people's pets on Google Meet. Who else could we put down here for loves music? You know who we should put there? We should put Mrs. Anderson there. But you can also put somebody else if you want, okay? Mrs. Anderson is our music teacher. We could put Mr. Oscar down for soccer. So, you know, try to fill in as many as you can. We know Miss Fagnant likes science, but you might know somebody else who likes science as well because she's the STEM teacher at FES. All right, and you might know somebody who has a pool, somebody who likes scary movies, okay? So fill in as many names as you can, okay? If you need to leave like 3 blank, I understand. And remember, you could put your name down in 3 or 4 of them, okay? Because there's a lot of you who can do some of these things, right? So you make it how you want to make it, and that is your last page for today.